Hello, I'm Karina Morocco with EBT Group, and today I'm joined by several members of Siegfried. Till Rorich, Head of R&D Oral Drug Product, Olaf Wegner, Head of R&D Sterile Drug Product, and as part of the Business Development Drug Product team, we have Mario Vlasic, Sasha Kolarek, and Laura DeMiguel. Thank you all for joining me today. So let's start by discussing what Siegfried can offer companies attending BioEurope Digital this year.
Siegfried offers development and manufacturing services to pharma and biotech companies for oral and sterile products. We have a skilled team of more than 800 employees spread over 4 sites. We have 2 sites for sterile development and manufacturing, including for biologics, and we have 2 sites for oral products, one for development and clinical scale manufacturing, and one for large commercial scale manufacturing.
Siegfried's German sterile site is the second largest site of the Siegfried family, with more than 500 employees. It is equipped and staffed to support our customers through development, clinical and commercial supply of biologics. We continuously invest to upgrade our capabilities to best serve our customers. For example, we inaugurated in 2019 the new R&D laboratories for formulation and bioanalytical development, and will install in 2021 a new vial filling line for small-scale batches and clinical supplies.
And another member of our network able to handle sterile formulation products is Siegfried Irvine. The site is located on the west coast of the US and provides manufacturing service to a wide range of technologies, such as prefilled syringes, cartridges, ophthalmic bottles, and glass vials. The team there is specialized in handling difficult to manufacture formulations, and in addition to that, the flexible setup of the site allows us to adequately answer to a wide range of requirements in terms of batch size, from small-scale clinical up to larger-scale commercial supplies.
For the oral drug products, our Swiss Center of Excellence develops and provides this clinical manufacturing service, whereas the Malta site suits large commercial needs for our customers. In our Swiss Center of Excellence, we have a dedicated team of more than 25 employees with a long-standing expertise in drug development, having developed more than 50 products in the previous decades and eager to support our customers.
Great, and so can you tell me what type of customers does Siegfried partner with?
We serve various types of pharma and biotech customers. These can be innovators, but also generic customers, from small companies to large multinational corporations. Our customer network is global. Indeed, we serve more than 150 pharma and biotech companies who recognize our expertise in drug products, who partner with us and rely on our supplies.
In terms of product stage, we collaborate for assets from early stage development through commercialization. We are well positioned to offer our customers with a broad range of batch sizes, from small clinical scale up to large commercial one.
Great, and so what is Siegfried's competitive value?
Siegfried can rely on more than 140 years of pharmaceutical history with an expanded network through organic and inorganic growth. Our Siegfried drug product team can rely on a high expertise and a strong track record in drug development and manufacturing. Siegfried manufactured more than 150 drug products in the previous year, this being either generic products stemming from our heritage or exclusivity products being with our current focus.
And we can say that our organization offers flexibility in response to challenges. Our dedicated and cross-functional teams can quickly react to the changing needs of our clients. This has exactly been the case with the recently signed collaboration agreement with BioNTech, which is a pioneer company in the COVID-19 vaccine development space. For this specific project, Siegfried is currently building capabilities and capacities to be able to deliver this very complicated manufacturing process.
We are a reliable supplier with high quality standards. The relevant authorities as well as our customers regularly inspect the sites with a very positive outcome. For example, FDA has inspected all sites in the past years with no indicated action.
And so how is Siegfried supporting its customers? What matters to Siegfried?
Well, Siegfried is really trying to create dedicated and passionate teams who are cooperating closely with our customers and helping them solving their problem. We recognize really the importance of this close communication as essential in reaching the agreed milestones and in the end having a successful relationship with our client.
Yeah, indeed, these cross-functional teams are actually orchestrated to meet our Siegfried and our partners' goal to bring safe and innovative therapies to patients worldwide. We put passion in what we do, and this means towards our colleagues, customers, patients, and society.
Great. Well, thank you all so much for taking the time to speak with me today. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you very much.